Hello everyone and welcome back to Microsoft Dynamics 365 plugin development course. This is module number 2 where we will see the fundamentals of plugin. Previous module, that is extending Dynamics 365, we have seen an overview about extending Dynamics 365. Then what are the different types of extensibility options that you have in Dynamics 365. Then we have seen why custom development is needed, and at the end we have seen what are the key considerations that you need to make before doing any custom development in Dynamics 365. And in this module, that is module number 2, the fundamentals of plugin development, we will first see what is a plugin. Then I will introduce you to the event framework in Dynamics 365, and then we will deeply understand the event execution pipeline of Dynamics 365 plugins. And in session number 5, we will see the basics of plugin in terms of theory, like what is I plugin interface and how you can implement it via execute method, and what is an iService provider, the key parameter that is passed from platform to the plugin. And after understanding the theoretical part of plugin development in detail, then we will go through an hands-on, then we will develop an actual plugin, and that will bring the end of this module. That's all about this module overview, and in our next video we will see what is a plugin. Hope